Fruit salad in a cup. Fruit salad in a cup.
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those. Not worry.
Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. This is Curls and Cocktails, and today we will be making a watermelon vodka drink. I don't have a name for it. It's just a really refreshing drink for the summer because watermelon is of course summer season, and if you think otherwise you're lying, because watermelon's only good in the summer. It's not good any other time. I don't care what anyone says. So we have about 2 cups of watermelon cut up and chunked, placed in our blender. We are going to put 4 teaspoons of simple syrup right in there. The juice from 1 whole lime right in there. And then, you know, you could do regular vodka, but we're no regulars here, so we're gonna do summer watermelon Ciroc. Watermelon. Obviously gonna taste great. Actually, I've never had it. So I've had this, but I've never had it in here. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna hope it tastes great. I'm assuming it's gonna taste great because watermelon goes with watermelon. So we're gonna pour ourselves 2 shots of that right into the blender as well. Beautiful. Birds are chirping. All right, we are going to place the lid, Patrick. The lid.
Now put it on the lid. No, the lid. 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 The lid.
Place the lid on our thing. Blender. We blend. All right, if you like pulp, you can stop here. I don't like pulp, so I'm not stopping here. We are going to get our strainer. I'm not pouring it directly into the cup because the cup's small, and I know I'm gonna make a mess. So we're gonna pour it into here and hope that this makes less of a mess. Let's see. Yeah. We're gonna strain it. I actually didn't bring anything out here to push this down with, so we're gonna take this. We're being innovative. We're getting all the juice out as possible because, as you know, we poured vodka in here and we're not letting vodka go to waste. Okay. I think that's enough. I think it's enough. Interesting. All right. We're gonna place this over here. I moved that out of our way for demonstration purposes. So we have cup. I upgraded. I got very large cubed ice. So we're gonna place one of our cubes in there. Look at this cube. Look at this cube. It's huge. It's huge. That goes in our cup. We gotta make it look cute, so place some limes in there. Lime. Watermelon. All right, and we slow pour. Wow. My melon must have been really juicy. Or I just overestimated how many watermelons I needed. But we had enough for 2, so I'm going to treat myself today. Because I think we lost some liquid in the straining process, we're going to pour some extra vodka on top there. Beautiful. And we sip. Guys, this is delicious. I probably had I've had many drinks in my life, but none like this. This is freaking delicious. Honestly, probably wouldn't be good with regular vodka, but the summer watermelon takes it over. Takes it over. The large cube of ice takes it over. I feel fancy. I feel very fancy. I'm sure my presentation could be a little more appealing. However, it's not. I'm being realistic. Realistically, I would not have this looking spick and span. Realistically, I would have kept that blender over here as well. So, we're being realistic. We're drinking our vodka. It's truly amazing. One thing I would have done differently, I would have shaken it cold first, because this 1 cube of ice takes some time to chill the whole thing. So I would have shaken it, you know, to make the whole drink cold and then poured it over ice. That would have been smarter, but still amazing. Still recommend you go buy yourself, first of all, 2 cups of watermelon. Let me tell you about my watermelon cutting process. Cut the watermelon, cut it in half, cut it in fourths, cut it in like eighths, and the eighth of the watermelon was like the 2 cups. There's so much watermelon. You buy yourself 1 bottle of vodka, some limes. You don't have to have fancy ice. You can have any ice. So ice. You strain it. You blend it. You strain it. You pour it over. Your friends think that you're like a barista, a bartender, a genius, but you're not. You're just watching Curls and Cocktails, because why would you not? And then they're like, oh my god, this drink is so good. Where'd you find it? You send them to me. If you send them to me, they'll find more. Well, okay, for a second you can let them think that, you know, you did it yourself, and then the next day you text in the chat and you say, I lied, actually found it on Curls and Cocktails. Here's the link. And then they come and see me. And then they're like, wow, I can be just as fancy for just as cheap. I love that for me. Alright everyone, so as always, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys make this super cheap, super easy, super impressive, super delicious drink for all your friends and family, and they think that you're the best bartender they've ever experienced in their whole life, because it's honestly delicious. So refreshing. Watermelon juice. This is basically water. This is basically water and vodka. Watermelon juice, vodka, lime juice, a fruit salad in a cup. Fruit salad in a cup. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be here next Thursday. Next Thursday, I'll be posting my curly cut. That, honestly, you can't tell I got a cut right now, but she cut it a lot, so enjoy. Thanks, guys, again for watching, and have a great day.
I've got bad habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it.